On this 40 acres of open land, you'll find hard-working Vancouver Island University students learning the essential skills of operating various heavy equipment machinery. Since 1956, the Heavy Equipment Operator Program at VIU has trained over 1,000 students and engaged them in significant community projects on Vancouver Island.
Hi there, my name is Kevin Levins. I'm proud to be part of the HEO program at Vancouver Island University. Our HEO program has been operating since 1956, and each year we train approximately 50 to 60 students. It's great to have the enthusiasm from the students when they come in with no prior training. When they start learning from us, they have the machine, they're on their own. It's a seat time, it's all theirs all day.
I came to the program as a brand new equipment operator and knew absolutely nothing about the program. We did all the theory. It worked out really well for somebody who's brand new. You got to learn all of the basics, which you needed and are required to be able to come out onto site.
I'm Elliot Cove, and I'm here to obtain knowledge about hopefully running an excavating company of my own one day. And it's really coming along. I'm learning lots.
Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm here at VIU to learn the skills necessary to enter an industry with it is in high demand and has a higher than average starting wage. I'm hoping to learn everything I need to do a good job and have an understanding of all the tasks involved with operating an excavator.
The teachers here are fantastic. They've all come from different kinds of backgrounds.
The best part about being a student here at VIU is we have a wide variety of instructors who all come from different backgrounds in the industry. When we work together and collaborate our ideas, we are able to deliver a very structured teaching package.
So there's a lot of experience, packed into a very good group of individuals.
At VIU, we have 2 simulator trailers. One is forestry and one is construction, with 4 simulators in each. During the students' 21-week apprentice program, they have the opportunity to learn the muscle memory of controls and functions on several different pieces of equipment.
Hi, I'm Andy Coles. I'm an instructor with VIU. We start off with a foundation course of 4 weeks, just teaching you basic theory that is introduced into this industry, into the heavy-duty construction industry. Then we move into a technical portion, so we dive a little deeper into machines, what makes them run, what helps us maintain those machines, and what our duties are to maintain those machines as an employee or a heavy equipment operator. We then move out into machine training, where we go right from foundation level, basic fundamentals of moving the machine around, to getting into mass excavations, culvert digs, more technical digs. Then after that, once they're through the foundation, the tech, and the HEO portion, they get into the work experience, where they get out into the field and they work with a company to further develop and find out what all their duties are as an employee to be in that company or to be part of that company. Being a machine operator doesn't mean you just sit in a machine all day. There is multiple jobs that you will do as a machine operator outside the cab and inside the cab. By the time the students end this course, they have the confidence, the skills, and the basic foundation fundamentals to move out into the field and grow from there.
If HEO is something you're interested in, it gives you lots of opportunities to get out in the industry in really any type of setting: forestry, mining, civil engineering, all of it. It's been fun so far, and I'm very excited to be able to get out into the actual field soon. And honestly, being a woman in this trade now, I feel a little more empowered than what I did before. It's nice to be out there with my hands on, get to create some cool things, and one day hopefully I'll be able to say, hey look, I built that.
Our program is happy to have the GPS system. We have a 2D, we have a 3D. We have it on the grader, the dozer, and the excavator. Our students are able to get trained on that. We're able to have a mock construction site where the student comes in, takes their grades off of their GPS, finds elevation, finds the distance, and are able to construct the site on their own.
Hi, I'm David Ford with Spatial Technologies. We have a partnership with VIU and the HEO program to supply Leica 3D machine control systems for their dozer, excavator, and grader, so that their students can have an opportunity to learn how this technology is used on the work site, so that they can visualize what they're actually doing as they're working, and so that they can take this equipment and the skills that they have learned at the Heavy Equipment Operating Program and transition them into real-world marketable skills, making them much more valuable to themselves and employers.
Hi, I'm Rory Kumala, CEO of the Vancouver Island Construction Association. VICA, as we're known, we represent the ICI sector, the institutional, commercial, and industrial sector. And we have over 460 members throughout Vancouver Island and the Sunshine Coast. We've been great supporters of Vancouver Island University's Heavy Equipment Operator course. It's been a long-standing course, it's well equipped, you have great instructors there, and it's really built to make sure that you're successful. Construction is in demand, and the services and the abilities and the skills that you're learning at VIU are going to be important to meet that demand. We need workers, and moreover, we need skilled workers. We need men and women to contribute to our construction economy, and we need to have it now. So if you can do that, you'll find that you'll be in a lucrative, rewarding, and long-lasting career.